Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Pankangalil Ronti or sweet diamond cuts with jaggery. Now all of us are familiar with diamond cuts coated in sugar syrup. Now this sweet diamond cut with jaggery is similar to it, but the difference is instead of sugar we use jaggery. This is a crispy and sweet to taste snack, and jaggery is more healthier than sugar. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour, water as required, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup grated jaggery. Normal jaggery will do, but if you go for the premium or organic ones, you will not get the one strand consistency. Oil for deep frying, 5 to 8 numbers of elaichi or cardamom you have to powder and use. Now take a wide mouth mixing bowl and add 1 cup maida to it. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. Knead the flour using water, adding it little by little. Once finish kneading the dough, make small portions of the dough. Roll it using a rolling pin. Cut it using a normal knife into diamond shapes. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Drop the diamond cuts in the oil and fry till crisp. Drain away excess oil using a strainer. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the dough. Keep the fried rontis or diamond cuts aside. Now, add the grated jaggery to a heavy bottomed pan or kadai. Add half cup water to it and keep on a low flame. The jaggery will begin to dissolve. When it has dissolved completely, and if you find there are impurities in it, pass it through a sieve or a fine mesh. Again, keep the jaggery syrup for boiling. Keep stirring the jaggery syrup. The jaggery will start bubbling. Continue stirring. You have to continue stirring until the jaggery reaches one strand consistency. Once the jaggery syrup has reached one strand consistency, switch off the flame and immediately add the fried rontis to it. Mix well so that they are coated evenly with syrup. But be careful because once you add rontis to jaggery, you have to mix it gently or else you will end up with powder. But of course, some of them may form clumps which can be separated when they are cooled. Your sweet diamond cuts is in jaggery syrup or Pankangalil Ronti is ready to be served. Shelf life is 1 month. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.